Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to Linguino English. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 10 fantastic phrases that will instantly improve your English and that will make you sound like a native speaker. So, let's dive right in. How's it going? First up, we have a classic greeting that's going to make your conversations much smoother. Instead of the usual "how are you?" try using "how's it going?" It's a friendly and relaxed way to ask about how someone is doing. Trust me, you'll sound like a native English speaker if you use this phrase. I'm down for that. Are you ready to show your enthusiasm for plans or activities? Say, I'm down for that. This phrase means you want to do something that the other person suggested. For example, if someone asks you, do you want to go out tonight? You can answer, yeah. I'm down for that. Your friends will appreciate your eagerness to join in on the fun. You nailed it. Compliments are a great way to connect with others. When someone does something well, don't just say good job. Try saying you nailed it instead. It's a fantastic way to show appreciation and encouragement. This phrase also sounds more genuine and less boring than just good job. Let's hang out sometime. Building relationships is important, right? Use the phrase let's hang out sometime to invite someone for a get-together. You can use this phrase to express that you would like to meet the other person sometime in the future. This phrase is a great way to invite others. That way you can spend more time with friends or even make new ones. That's not my cup of tea. Sharing your opinions politely is a must. When something isn't your thing and you don't like it, say that's not my cup of tea. It's a charming way to express that you don't like something without sounding negative. I'm on the same page. Do you want to show that you agree with someone? Say, I'm on the same page. This phrase indicates you understand and align with someone's viewpoint. It's perfect for formal conversations. It also makes you sound more professional. It's a piece of cake. Spice up your language with idioms. Instead of saying something is easy, try saying it's a piece of cake. For example, when you complete an English exam, you can say it was a piece of cake. You'll add a splash of color to your speech and you will sound more natural. Long time no see. Reconnecting with old friends? Greet them with long time no see. This friendly phrase adds a touch of nostalgia and lets them know you've missed them. I'm all ears. Active listening matters. When you're fully engaged in a conversation, say I'm all ears. It shows respect and interest in what the other person is saying. It is a great way to express that you are enjoying the conversation. Fingers crossed. When you are hoping that something goes well, you can say fingers crossed. That way you express that you're wishing for something positive to happen. For example, when someone says, I hope I pass the exam, you can say fingers crossed. And there you have it. 10 phrases that will elevate your English to a whole new level. Practice these phrases, have fun with them, and watch your language skills flourish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, keep learning and keep sounding amazing.